Hello, everyone. Welcome to this asynchronous lesson on transmedia narrative. You know that since transmedia narrative is one of the core pillars of this course, our aim is to equip you with the tools to view it not just as a storytelling technique, but as a lens through which we can approach curricular content creatively and effectively. I know that for this week, you have to read several texts on transmedia narrative. And in this video, I decided to explore some ideas presented in Mariana Ferrarelli's article called La textualidad desbordada, transmedia y educación en la cultura digital. I decided to explore some ideas from this article as they will help us understand what is transmedia. In this article, she made a really interesting point. She said that if we look at transmedia not as a resource or as a set of tools, but as an approach for exploring curriculum topics, we can create learning experiences that are far more engaging and emotionally resonant for students. You know that we are living in a world increasingly shaped by digital culture. So, transmedia narrative becomes a bridge between a traditional top down educational approach and a more participatory bottom up form of cultural engagement. This is done thanks to the Web 2.0 technologies. So, transmedia didactics empowers educators to recover and resignify new learning experiences through the technological resources available to them and to students. Um, in other texts, it is also explored the idea that transmedia teaching fosters the integration of the four macro language skills through the strategic use of technology. But I don't want to spoil you more. We will be exploring this in our class on Friday, but I don't want to stop saying that transmedia makes it valuable for language learning environments because if one uses, the educator, the teacher uses um, um, technology or different digital tools meaningfully, consciously, and strategically, it can enhance both the students' motivation and comprehension. So I hope you really enjoy reading these texts. I believe that they help us become more creative, more flexible, and more responsive to the realities of today's learners. So now I will leave you and you will be continue working on this, exploring this presentation. And the next video is about Ale uh, explaining to you the activities that you have to complete. See you on Friday. Bye bye.